Hey there. In this video, we're going to be talking about the ID and class selectors in CSS and how you can use them to style your web pages. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. If not, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file, as well as creating a separate file called styles.css in a CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find this code, so you can also grab the code from there to get you started. Also, open Live Server if you don't already have it open. In the index.html file, let's add an ID attribute to the h1 element. And I'm going to give it a value of heading. Next, add an ID attribute to the first paragraph. And let's give it a value of description. And we're also going to add a class attribute and give it a value of green. Next, we're going to add a class attribute to the second paragraph and give it values of red and large, separated by a space. Then I'm going to add a class to the third paragraph and give it a value of green. Now over in the styles.css, let's remove the existing CSS that we added from the previous videos and replace it with new ones that target the IDs and classes that we added to the HTML. First, let's target the heading ID. To select an ID, you start with the hashtag symbol, followed by the value of the ID without any spaces. For the heading, we're going to make the font size 50 pixels large, and that's 50 px. Next, we're going to target the description ID and make the font size 30 pixels. Then we're going to target each of the classes. To select a class, you start with a period, followed by the value of the class without any spaces. For the red class, we're going to make the font color red. For the green class, we're going to make the font color green. Finally, for the large class, we're going to make the font size 100 pixels. So once I hit save, you should now see the styling applied to the page in the browser window. And that's how you use ID and class selectors in CSS. By using ID and class selectors, you can target specific elements and apply styles to multiple elements at once. This can save you time and help you keep your code organized. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources to learn more about this subject. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.